Entering 2026, the J-35 stealth fighter jet is projected to be a crucial element in China's air power transformation, particularly in the maritime domain. No longer merely a development program, the J-35 is now positioned as the future backbone of the People's Liberation Army Navy plan and a geopolitical instrument through potential export strategies. Its arrival marks a major shift from land-based air power to an integrated air-sea strategy. As 2026 approaches, the integration of the J-35 into the People's Liberation Army Navy plan is seen as one of the greatest strategic leaps in the history of Beijing's maritime air power. This stealth fighter jet is no longer in the limited testing phase but has already demonstrated signs of operational readiness from aircraft carriers. Circulating photos and footage show J-35s on the decks of Chinese aircraft carriers, indicating a transition to active combat status. The presence of the J-35 allows the plan to enter a new era of stealth-based maritime air operations. Until now, China's air power at sea has been dominated by fourth-generation aircraft, which are limited in their ability to counter modern air defense systems. With the J-35, Chinese aircraft carriers can deploy aircraft capable of penetrating enemy defense zones from the early stages of a conflict. Furthermore, this integration reflects a shift in Chinese naval doctrine from coastal defense to global power projection. The J-35 serves as a tool to secure strategic sea lanes, protect carrier battle groups, and provide air superiority in disputed areas, particularly in the South China Sea and the Western Pacific. One of the J-35's key strengths lies in its stealth design, which has been given great attention since its early development stages. The fuselage is designed with sharp angles, smooth surfaces, and minimal radar reflection. The main weapons are housed internally to maintain a low radar signature during combat missions. Claims regarding the J-35's extremely low radar cross-section, RCS, often compared to that of a small object, demonstrate China's ambitious ambitions to rival Western stealth standards. While these claims are difficult to independently verify, many analysts believe the J-35's stealth capabilities are sufficient to challenge older and mid-generation radar systems. In the context of modern warfare, stealth provides a crucial advantage in the early stages of conflict. The J-35 can detect, track, and engage targets before being detected by the enemy. This makes it not only a fighter aircraft but also a strategic penetration tool capable of systematically disrupting enemy air defense systems. The J-35 is a further evolution of the J-31 program, but with a much more mature and focused development direction. While the J-31 was previously considered more of a technology demonstrator, the J-35 is now an operational fighter platform designed to meet the actual needs of the Chinese military. As its development progresses, the J-35 now forms a family of aircraft that includes a naval variant, J-35, and a land-based or export variant, J-35A. This approach demonstrates that China is not only considering domestic needs but also geopolitical opportunities through the export market for fifth-generation defense equipment. The J-35 family's development strategy mimics the successful Western model of multivariant platforms. With its modular and flexible design, China can customize avionics, sensors, and weapon systems to meet user needs, making the J-35A an attractive alternative for countries without access to Western stealth fighters. Beyond its individual combat capabilities, the J-35 is designed as part of an integrated warfare network. It is equipped with advanced sensors and data exchange capabilities that enable real-time information sharing with other units in the air, sea, and on the ground. In China's intelligentized warfare doctrine, the J-35 functions not only as a gunner but also as a data collector and processor. The information gathered by the J-35 can be used to direct air defense systems, combat drones, and even long-range missiles, creating a force multiplier effect. This role is crucial in modern conflicts, where information superiority often determines the outcome of battles. By making the J-35 a key node in the combat network, China seeks to ensure that each of its military platforms operates synchronized and efficiently within a unified warfare ecosystem. One of the most strategic developments in 2026 is the potential delivery of the J-35A to Pakistan. If realized, this would make Pakistan the first country to operate China's fifth-generation stealth fighter jet, deepening the two countries' military partnership. The presence of the J-35A in South Asia has the potential to alter the balance of air power, particularly in the context of the Pakistan-India rivalry. With its stealth capabilities and modern sensors, the J-35A could provide a significant advantage in both limited conflict and regional escalation scenarios. Furthermore, the J-35 would also enhance China's maritime capabilities through its integration with the Fujian aircraft carrier, which utilizes an electromagnetic catapult system. This combination would allow China to operate aircraft with a larger payload and longer range, strengthening Beijing's power projection in the Indo-Pacific region. By 2026, the J-35 will emerge as a symbol of China's military technological maturity. It will not only strengthen the Chinese Navy, but also serve as a strategic tool for expanding Beijing's influence through military exports. Its presence signals that the fifth-generation air race is entering a new, increasingly complex and multipolar phase,